How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I am going to talk about ticker GME right here, GameStop. And I haven't made a video in this in a while, and it's getting close to what I want to see. And I just want to discuss my system. How do I look to catch a bottom reversal without totally guessing, but getting precise entries? And I'm going to show you backtesting and all of that. And before I get right into the video, I have a premium Discord of only $6 a month with over 95% win ratio, and I give my exact trade alerts with entries and exits, and I'll put that link down below. Let me show you how this works, though, before you join. So, I'm a swing trader. I like to do low risk, high upside setups that are beaten down, so you're going to see a lot of stocks like GameStop. You're going to see where they've just been going constantly down for a while, but you're seeing rejection points. And that's what I want to show you guys. This rejection right here, you see how it just goes right up, and you can make massive money getting on those rejection points. So with this strategy, we have the three bands. The lower band is colored green, and that is a buy zone. It doesn't mean get in right away. It just means, hey, this is a nice area to accumulate shares, and we're going to look at other factors. The other factor we want to look at is the KDJ. So if we're looking at this point right here, it is at the lower band. It's clearly a buy signal. And then the K on the KDJ is 4.56. As you can see, this line right in here, it has a 4.56. And then the next thing we want to look at is our middle band that I labeled yellow. And we want to make sure we have time distance. And what I mean by time distance is, when is the last time it touched the middle band? I'm going to keep reiterating this, because time distance is the most important thing, because we know price will hit the middle band. I promise you that. I guarantee you that. Algos are going to do it to complete the picture. It's just like in a painting. You're going to go down, and then the algos are going to go up. When they go down on this price, guess what the algos do? Poof. A swift kick to the upside to finish this painting. So just keep that in mind. And this is a shorter time frame. So what I'd like to see is anything 2 to 3 weeks of not hitting that middle band, of being like, okay, this is getting to be extremely oversold. We're going to look for an entry here. But we only look for an entry if price is at the lower band with a low KE on the KDJ along with time distance. And as we can see, we can look right here at 8:04, 2023. We had a clear touch. I'm looking at the date. You can see me hovering over. And by the way, this is Webull charting. I have all the knowledge and the education to set this up in my Discord if you want to join. But I am going to just go over a general idea so you can see what my price prediction is for GameStop. Where do I look to enter? And I'm going to show you the current data after this. So 8:04, 2023. And then we get a touch at 8:28. So you do the math, 8:04, 8:14, 8:21, 8:28. 3 weeks, pretty much, right in here. So it took 3 weeks. Anything that does not touch the middle band in 1 month is extremely long. So this took us 3 weeks. That is fairly long. So it was safe to say after 2.5 weeks, 2 to 3 week mark, we can look to get a trade. And guess what? These candles relied in that area, and I am accumulating massive shares right in here to make, look at this, 5%, another almost 3%, 4%, another 1%, with this upper wick, probably 2 or 3. As you can see, it adds up, and we're looking for conservative 10 to 20% gains. We met it, or if we hit this middle band, we put a stop loss just below it and try to ride up as much as possible. That's just one example. I want to see if I can find another one. So, wow, look at this. This is a beautiful one. Even though it's not touching like the exact bottom band, look at the time distance, 8:18 to 9:09. 8:18 to 9:18 is a full month. So we're about 3 weeks, but as you can see, all this time distance, and we do have a low KDJ. You can start accumulating here. If it goes lower, you can buy more, but this was a nice time distance trade with a close. But as you can see, I customized these settings when price gets close to this lower band, it tends to shoot up, and that's what you want to see. And the same for the upside. When price gets close to the upper band for any stock, it tends to sell off. As you can see with time distance, we sell off right in here. And then look, we go right to this middle band and then some, and then we resume a downtrend. The reason why we don't take trades at the middle band is because it can go up or down. It's like flipping a coin. and we just don't know. Right in here was a beautiful trade I would have taken on the upper band here, and then right here for a put side. So let me show you guys. I showed you guys some back testing on some buys and sells. Let me show you guys the current data we are sitting at right in here. So we want to obviously look for a little more time distance. We last touched the middle band at 326, 2024. It's like hovering over it. Current data is 408. So we have some time. I would like to wait at least one more week, and I want to see if price can get as close as possible to this lower band, along with a low K on the KDJ is my thing. So we do have some time distance. As you can see, we have this distance here of not touching the middle band. We know it has to touch the middle band. That is powerful information. We just got through earnings. So that's nice that we got that out of the way. So all that negativity is out, and now we look for, you know, our signal. Are we going to touch the lower band? Are we going to get a low K? And we need one more week of time distance. So I'm going to put this on my watch list, and I want to look at it again on April probably 15th. I would look at this, and I want to see those three things I looked at, and then I just accumulate my shares because I know the bottom is near, and I looked for a nice gain. So if we're looking at the bottom band right now, it's at 9.58. That's kind of like our pain level right in here. We would like to get it in, and the middle band is at 12.05. That's going to fluctuate, but that's what we're looking at, guys. So yeah, right now we're kind of like in the middle between both. But it could obviously just shoot up straight to the middle band. I've seen that do it many times. As you can see right in here, you know, you get some time distance, and then bam, it was in the middle and then shot up. I'm looking for the best risk versus reward. If you guys enjoyed this video and like this analysis of, and like I said, I have over 95% win ratio. I lost one time in the last 8 months, and it was a penny stock. So if that tells you something, I would have 100% win ratio if I stick to the bigger cap stocks. But yeah, it is what it is. And if you guys want to see this strategy in real time, see my actual alerts and how I decide to do things, join the premium Discord. It's only $6 a month. If you're putting thousands of dollars in the stock market, I can easily get your account compounded 2x, 3x, not hard at all with this strategy. And it's going to be consistent returns. Your curve is going to go steadily up instead of like options where, you know, your curve is zigzagging and you're just up, down, up, down. This strategy is low risk, high reward. You're swing trading, so you're accumulating shares at bottom prices where nobody's chasing it yet, and it's calm. And then when it goes up, like on these candles right here, the people chase it. You're selling these shares to these people that are chasing it because we know what the system's telling us. We are above the middle band. We are looking for a profit zone, but these people that are buying it don't see what we see. If you get rid of all this right in here, they see this, and they're probably just like, okay, let's do some basic retail analogy here. Support there, I'm gonna buy here. Okay, it broke through support. Let's look at the next support. Let's buy right here. This seems like a good area. Wall Street sees, like, they see what we're seeing. This is just basic support resistance. Anyone can do this. Draw lines right in here and make educated guesses. Yes, it can work sometimes, but I assure you, you will lose a lot of money and you'll get stopped out plenty and plenty of times. And then the next thing people will probably do is, okay, this is finally where I'm going to add. I see support right in here at this like 960 level. I'll do that again. So as you can see, the danger side of this, since they don't see what I see, they're buying here, and then they're going to buy way down here, and it's just constantly, you know, it's just constantly going down. And I've seen like 5 support levels get broken. It can happen. But if we see exactly what I see, we see where the correction zones are, we can kind of see where precise entries are going to be bought. This right here, I'm telling you, will make you more clear, and it'll make you not have a blindfold on, and you know exactly where price is headed. So if you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month. Where you can join is down below in the YouTube comments. I'll pin it and say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these are the best trades. I do a lot of research on it. And it'll be also in my YouTube description. It'll be very easy to find my YouTube or Discord link to join. And what will happen is when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. And what you want to do is go over to this subscriptions area, click on any of these channels. And when you do, it will opt you in to subscribe. So if you have a computer, it is best to subscribe with a computer because it avoids the iOS fee, and also they're having trouble with Androids subscribing. So doing it on computer would be your best. If not, it's like $1 or $2 more if you do it on iOS. It's up to you. But this is one of the best swing trading strategies where you find trend reversals early and you get in before the crowd and make massive gains, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Any type of engagement will help spread out this video to other people to watch it more, and the YouTube algorithm loves it, and it'll make me make more videos on tickers people love and things people are looking to buy. So it helps me a lot to make more videos, and I definitely appreciate you guys watching it. It means a lot to me, and thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my premium Discord. Peace out.